Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Technology Sahayak. And today in this video I will show you how to fix if Start button not working in Windows 10. Step 1. Go to Taskbar and right-click on Mouse. Now from the options click on Task Manager. Now from the menu bar select Process. And then scroll down and find out Windows Explorer. After finding select Windows Explorer, and right-click on your mouse. Then click on End Task. When you click on End Task, everything in front of the screen will be hidden. Then cancel this window. And press Alt plus Ctrl and Delete button for restarting Windows. After pressing the buttons this window will appear. Here click on Power button and restart your Windows. After restarting check your problem solved or not. If not, then go to next step. Again go to Taskbar and right-click on your mouse. Now from options click on Task Manager. In this interface from the top menu select File and click on Run New Task. After opening the new task, type msconfig and click on OK. Now from the menu select Boot and from Boot options select Safe Mode and Network. After selecting click on Apply and click on OK. And then click on Restart. After restarting the Windows you will see like this interface. Windows will run as a safe mode. Now again go to Taskbar and right-click on your mouse. Click on Task Manager. Select File and click on Run New Task. Now type msconfig and click on OK. Select Boot and from the Boot options unchecked Safe Mode and select Minimal. And then click on Apply and click on OK. Now again restart your Windows. Windows will return to the previous place. Friends, hope your problem will be solved if you applied this two-step. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.